My dear family, very good evening. I am very happy to meet you all in this 18th annual day celebrations. It is an occasion I look forward to every year when I can get to meet all of you and share my thoughts and emotions. This year we have tried a different format of engagement and I do hope you are all enjoying it. For the past 5 years, we have been talking about Vision 2020 and pushing hard towards reaching the goal. Now that we are nearing 2020, our theme for this year shall now WOW. WOW stands for We Only Win. This year, we shall engage with conviction that winning is the only option. Taking this family past that Vision 2020 goalpost is the focus we shall have and nothing else. As we move closer to the 2020 timeline and past approaching the victory post, it is also time for us to think what next. Well, our next milestone would be to make NTC a billion-dollar company by 2025. Let us all resolve to work wholeheartedly towards achieving this goal too. In addition to this financial goal, there are certain other parameters I want to you focus on. Firstly, I want NTC to be the company of choice and people organization. Our NTC family is ever growing. In the last financial year, we had 900 employees. This year, we have more than 1,000 employees. If you add the group strength, total is 3,000. It is our responsibility to ensure that NTC is the company of choice. To borrow the words of Dr. Arvind Kalyaniwala, our mentor, in order to be an employer of choice, NTC must be recognized by all stakeholders in the organization where one stays, grows, where the source of wealth is it people, clients, company which has long-term goals, company which respects its employees, their voice and which aims for pride in its reputation. I feel it is appropriate that all family members get their rightful share in the profit of the organization. You play significant role in the growth of NTC and hence it would only be appropriate to reward you for your contributions. I would like to stress here that we love to reward the right talent. So it is only in your hands to perform well and grab your share. From management, we do our share by ensuring that all members are given equal opportunity to perform. From your end, I respect you to ensure that you make it comfortable for each member of this company to work here to that end. I expect that you engage with respect and care for each other. Secondly, I want to NTC to be younger forever as we are growing rapidly by adding new members. The family remains young. Youth is not just age but also attitude. When I say young, I expect the attributes of freshness, vigor, dynamism and so on to remain young. We need to invest time in updating ourselves with the latest in market and technology. We should make conscious effort to remain relevant by keeping ourselves updated. This young workforce should also transform into young leaders. Every one of you should display leadership in all that you do. To gain leadership skills, you need to train, and the management is committed to help in this. It is in your hands to become a leader. It is my wish that tomorrow is NTC must be professionally managed by such youngsters. Thirdly, I want NTC to be a tech-enabled organization In today's business environment, our real business competitors is a company which is technically strong. This trend applies most other industries too. However, we have the advantage of being the domain specialist in the logistics. Now, we just have to accept and adopt technology to improve our operations and service delivery. World is sinking by day with advancement technology. Technologies means to enhance the business competitiveness and performance, data and other areas to speed the processes, customers. So it is not only important to update ourselves to be able to use available technology, but we must also create technology to suit our business requirements. In order to stay and competition, we at NTC have initiated our digital transformation journey called Industry 4.0. I want you wholehearted participation in this journey by proactive usage of technologies. Fourthly, I want to NTC to secure the top spot among global logistics majors. We are among the top logistics companies in the country. It should be our aim to take NTC global. This we can do by first setting highest standards, operations and services. We also need to be able to meet every logistics needs of our customers. This can be achieved by strengthening our existing businesses and venturing into new line of businesses as well. To this end, I am glad to inform you that we have recently added Scientech Supply Chain Solutions and Everrenew Energy to our group. Scientech is enabled 3PL company offering complete supply chain solutions, and Everrenew is a project management company providing turnkey solutions to renewable energy sector. The formal launch of these companies took place yesterday. With such additions, today NTC can be compared to majestic banyan tree firmly rooted in Indian soil in many countries and strengthened by its newly added businesses. I am proud to state that today NTC Group has more than 10 companies in its fold. I am sure that it will grow further in the year to come, and NTC will be strengthened by additions. We are now offering services globally. You will happy to know that we have already received orders from Vietnam and Sri Lanka for setting up wind and solar farms. We are also setting up a large state-of-the-art manufacturing facility for the manufacturing of renewable energy components, and we expect to commence production by end of 2019. We already have partners in progress in many countries, and you will be happy to know many such partners are present with us now. I take this opportunity, I thank all of them for coming all the way and honoring us with their presence. I also wish to assure them that NTC will continue to be their trusted partners, and I do hope and pray that our relationship continues to be longer and mutually rewarding one. Finally, I want to bring your attention to the single most important point that keeps to motivated to work hard in building in this organization, that is giving back to the society. Giving back to the society provides meaning to all the efforts that we take in building this organization. I am pleased to announce that through our Palaniammal Kandachami Charitable Trust, we have been doing great service to the society past 5 years. We have spent more than 10 crores in the various initiatives such as road safety programs, medical and A camps, charity activities for special children adopting schools, offering scholarship to underprivileged children and rewarding meritorious students in 10th standard and 12th students, and donations to HIV AIDS hospitals, and a lot of other activities. Being in the transportation industry with our vehicles moving in almost all the parts of the country on a daily basis, we understand the impact of our vehicles. We having the environment to give back to the environment. We have planted more than 1 million trees in more than 500 acres of land. In various parts of states, this initiative have also provided employment opportunities to several people. When I think of it, if we can have such a huge impact on society by allocating a small part of the profit of the organization, I felt that we can involve all our employees and see how much bigger we can do. My reason for saying all this here is to make each one of you to know the impact you are making to this world by being part of NTC family. Well, my dear friends, it is time for me to conclude with my goals defined with the path laid, with the focus, dedication and determination with which each of you all work towards achieving the goal set. I am absolutely confident that NTC will grow from strength to strength and reach new heights in the years to come. I take this opportunity to thank all of you for your contribution so far and look forward to your continued support in making NTC a true global logistic major soon. While I wish you all the best for the same, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to many people who have been instrumental to the growth of NTC. Thank you very much. Namaskar.